Hello friends, this is a previous year question of 5th semester political science. The paper name is Democratic Awareness and Legal Literacy. So the first question is, what is the motto of the National Legal Literacy Mission in India? And the second one is, which court stands at the apex of the Indian judicial hierarchy? And third is, what is a word? These questions are very important. The fourth is, what is Jubilant Court? Fifth, which article of the Constitution of India guarantees 6 freedoms? I hope you all know this. Then, which amendment has omitted the right to property from the list of fundamental rights? I think it's 44th Amendment, I guess. Then, which writ is issued by the court to transfer a case from a lower court to a higher court? Then eighth question is, which article of Indian Constitution deal with fundamental duties? Ninth, what is defined bail? And the 10 is, what is the full form of IPC, Indian Penal Code? What is meant by jubilant justice? 12th is, what is zero FIR? 13 is, according to Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, what is the punishment for demanding and accepting or giving and taking dowry? And 14th, who appoints Dowry Prohibition Officer? 15th, in which year was Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act passed? So 16th question is, which section of IPC provides for punishment for the offense of rape? 17, who is a consumer? And 18 is, how many rights does a consumer have under the Consumer Protection Act 1986? I think 6 rights. जितना मुझे याद है, it's like 6. I remember 6 consumer rights, I think. And name the highest consumer court in India. 20 is, which law is also known as the Indian Cyber Act or Internet Law? So this, and the one is section B, that is 2 marks each. 21 question, 21, define judicial review. 22, what is the need for legal literacy? 23, why are fundamental rights called fundamental? 24, mention any 2 features of PIL, public interest litigation. 25, distinguishes between bailable offense and non-bailable offense. 26, point out any 2 features of CRPC, that is criminal CRPC of 1973. 27, mention any 2 provisions of the Dowry Prohibition Act. 28, what is meant by domestic violence? 29, mention 2 benefits of the Consumer Protection Act 1986. Number 30, point out 2 steps to prevent cybercrime. So section number 6, which is 5 marks, 31, describe briefly the features of Indian judiciary. Then 32, briefly discuss the system of civil courts in India with their jurisdictions. 33, explain any 5 characteristics of fundamental rights. 34, examine the significance of PIL, it's very important. Then briefly discuss the prohibition relating to arrest, this one also. Write a note on judicial review. And 37, discuss the major steps to eradicate dowry system. Then 38, In case of sexual harassment at the workplace, what are the steps to be taken by the victim and concerned authorities to get the justice? And this is very important. 39. Write a note on the RTI Act of 2005. That is right to information. It's very important. 40. Discuss briefly the provisions of the Consumer Protection Act 1986. So here and